Alright, what's going on, guys? FaZe Censor Martin here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in yesterday's video, I mentioned that I didn't want to get a sports car. I wanted to get a Chrysler 300, and I want to address some of this hate. Now today, I'm going to be driving out to my dad's house, and we're going to be hooking my Chrysler 300 up. We're going to get some black tints on it. We're going to tint the windows. We're going to try to tint the light. We're going to get a FaZe sticker on the car. We're going to get a sensor license plate. We're going to make this the best looking Chrysler 300 on the road. That's my goal. I want to make this the coolest grandpa car you can see. I want to pick up Yannette at the airport when I pick her up next month, and I wanted to be like, muy bien. Maybe that's cringy to you guys, but like that's what I see in my head. That's what I want to do. So I'm a little bit late. I gotta run to my dad's house right now. I'm gonna pick him up. We're gonna go see his guy, and then I'm gonna explain a little bit why I got this car. And I have this really weird, funny story I also want to tell you guys. So I'm late. I'm gonna talk to you guys in a little bit, and yeah, drop a thumbs up if you guys are as hyped as I am. It's an absolutely gorgeous day in Long Island, New York. It's like 78 degrees, no humidity, and look at this beauty. Guys, if we break 50,000 likes in this video, I'm gonna hit up Brain and see if we could race cars. What do you guys think? My Chrysler 300 versus his Audi R8. I totally would kick his ass in a race, man. Probably not. Okay, so I just got to my dad's house, and we're gonna be customizing our Chryslers a little bit. Look at him. FaZe up, baby.
FaZe red, baby.
Let's go. So he's got the black Chrysler 300. His is actually an 08. This is the brand new one that I really like in white. So he's gonna go ahead and put this black sticker on.
Higher or lower?
I think that's perfect. Just right above the 300 sign right there. Just stick it on. Nice. Let's go. That's gonna look fresh.
Straight, right?
Yeah, that's good. Dad, your car is so shiny. I can literally see you in the car.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
I keep my shit
Look,
clean.
throw the FaZe up. Throw the FaZe up on your hand real quick.
How do I do that?
You see it? Like
There
that.
it is. Yeah, there it is.
There you go. Hey, that's sick. Let's go. It matches the red light too, right next to it.
Yeah.
That actually looks really good. I like that.
Good on there, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do yours.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, so my dad over here is a lot better at doing the stickers than I am, so I'm gonna have him do it for me because I don't want to mess this up.
But you stand back, and this way you can line it up better. Tell me how it looks.
All right, ready? Because we only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow, Eminem. That looks good right there. Yeah, you're good. Oh, it looks a little crooked actually. What do you think?
No.
You think it looks good?
I'm thinking this line is even with the top of the 300, right?
100% sure?
I don't know.
You guys let me know in the comments. Does that look crooked or am I just tripping?
I've tried to line up the top of this with the top of the 300. Yeah, it is. It's the angle, because this is angled back a little.
That's why. It's because this, the trunk. Okay.
This is it's curved.
That looks so fresh. And then I'm gonna get all these lights blacked out. So like all these red lights on the car are all gonna be black. So basically, guys, we're gonna be looking at this white car. The windows are all gonna be tinted really dark black, or I guess as dark as I could get them without getting in trouble. And then I'm gonna get the black rims and then just black out like all the lights on the car. And then of course, we're gonna have this nice, look at that, he just took it off. Boom, baby, that's money. That's what I'm talking about, Dad, all right.
I like the color, that one, the colors.
Guys,
I like it.
do you like the FaZe 2.0 colors? Because personally, I'm a big fan of black, and since I got a white car, I just wanna get as much black as possible.
Awesome, it looks awesome.
It looks better than yours, Dad.
Is it crooked?
You jealous? It is crooked, I told you!
It's not crooked.
It's crooked, I'm telling you.
It's not crooked.
I don't know, I'm tripping. I'm tripping, guys. It's good.
It's not.
I think we're
okay. Your other one.
You think so?
Well, on the other car, yeah.
Yeah.
You still got it on Christina's car?
I do, actually. Or I guess, yeah. So my sister also has a black Chrysler.
We gotta represent FaZe, guys.
We love the Chrysler 300, and I'm gonna explain why I got this one, but we have to head over to the guy who's gonna do all the window tintings right now.
Ray Tint, he's my man here in New York. Ray Tint.
So that's where we're gonna go right now, guys. We'll catch you soon. All right, so I'm waiting for my car to get tinted. I'm with my dad in his car right now.
What's up?
And I'm gonna tell you guys a story about what happened to me in CVS the other day. So Dad, you never heard this story yet, but I told my mom this earlier today. She started dying and I put it in my vlog. Last night, I went into a CVS and I asked them, hey, do you guys have any green tea? So the person goes, yeah, we have green tea. Just go over there on the side of the CVS. It's in like aisle 5. I'm like, okay. So I go to aisle 5, I get the green tea, and then I go up to the register. So I put the green tea down on the table, and the girl goes to me, she goes, what, you got a shit? I'm I didn't say anything. I just went like this, was like,
what?
Let me take off my sunglasses. I was like I just literally did one of those. She's like, oh, people who buy green tea usually have to take a shit. And I was just still doing it. I'm like, I'm just making this like duck face. I'm just listening to what she said. She's like, yeah, you know, you asked for the green tea earlier, and then I went to all the other employees and I was like, yeah, he probably has to go take a shit. And that's when I was like, I'm like, is this girl trying to embarrass me right now? What is this? serious.
Customer service.
I literally said to the girl, and she was like this chubby, like 35-year-old. I think she was like, I don't know what she was thinking, but she was like, oh yeah, if you drink green tea, you gotta take a shit. I think she drinks green tea for shit. I was like, no.
That's funny.
The reason I'm buying the green tea is because I'm on this diet now and I train every day. She's like, oh, so you're gonna give up your training and you're just gonna drink green tea. I'm like, no, I'm buying the green tea because I'm on a diet and I get tired of drinking water and I heard green tea was healthy for you. And then she's like, oh, okay. I thought she was like trying to embarrass me or something. Now every time I see my mom, I'm like, hey Ma, you want some green tea? And that's the story.
If somebody ever approached me like that, I would say, what the fuck did you say?
No, you wouldn't.
I would, because that would throw me completely off. I would just look at him crazy and say, what the F would you say? What did you effing say or whatever? That's just the way I would be.
I seriously couldn't believe it. I was like, all right. Okay, so we're still waiting on the car tints to be done. So since I'm buying a brand new apartment, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of shopping.
Big ass TV.
We're hooking this place up, baby. It's gonna be sick. We're gonna get really nice top of the line TVs, top of the line mattresses. What are we doing? Samsung? Yeah, Samsung's nice. So he's gonna use the bathroom. I'm gonna check out some of these TVs and we're gonna walk out of here with brand new TVs, brand new mattresses, brand new vacuum cleaners, toasters, all that cool stuff that you guys really don't care about at all. So we're looking at the TVs right now. My dad says I should go with the LG.
Nah, I like the Sammys though, but this is awesome.
But what I don't know, guys. Like, what's so great about the curved TVs? I think, how much more money is the curved TV, Dad?
I don't know. We have to ask him. This is $2,500.
Because I'm pretty sure these curved TVs are like a lot more money than the regular ones.
$2,500.
Oh, and how big is this one?
It's a 55, I believe.
Oh, so this is a 55-inch. I just don't know why. Like, what's so great about the curved TVs? I don't know. Like, I'm not trying to hate on it or anything. I just don't know anything about them.
That's an awesome picture.
So what, should I get the curved one?
Well, it's OLED too. Here's a curved Sammy.
So this is a curved Samsung right here.
That's not the one.
What are you trying to look for?
This is the 9000.
What's the What do you mean 9000?
That's the model number.
This looks nice. This is a new 2016. Every TV looks small in the camera.
Nice too.
Oh wait, Dad, hold this real quick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put I'm gonna flex. Look at that. That's a big bicep, guys. This is big. I'm sure. I see what's right now. There's people staring at me.
This is nice.
I don't know about the TV yet. We're still gonna figure it out, but we're looking at some mattresses right now. We got the Tempur-Pedic. Oh, I don't even bounce. Oh no, Dad. I think I'm gonna sleep over tonight.
This is what we have for me and Arlene. We love it.
Damn, this is comfortable. Oh my God. Dad, I want this. Do they make it in a king?
They do make it in a king.
Where is it?
I don't see it.
This is nice.
Well, a king is a standard size. So
Guys,
any one of these that are a king.
Guys, for my entire life, I've never had like a king size bed, Tempur-Pedic bed. Like I'm like spoiling myself rotten right now with my new apartment. I've always had like a double or like a twin. And there's really not like the crappiest beds, but like, you know, I was never really that spoiled in my life. My mom tried to spoil me. We didn't have much money, and now that, you know, YouTube is doing well and everything is great, that's why I'm going all out, and that's why I'm hooking up this pad. And it's all thanks to you guys, so thank you. All right, so we're looking at the most expensive bed in the lot. This is the Tempur-Pedic for $13,000.
Oh shit!
It's hard as a rock, isn't it?
It's hard, but it's comfortable.
You like it?
I can sleep in it.
Would you sleep in it for $13,000?
I'm asleep.
He's gone.
Don't plan on watching a movie in bed with a Tempur-Pedic. You'll be asleep within 10 minutes. I have yet to see an entire movie on our mattress.
Are you serious?
I swear to God, every time. I got a 4K television in there and I'm snoring within 10 minutes.
Oh no, dude. My dad left his phone on the mattress. I'm gonna hide this real quick and see when he finally realizes he doesn't have his phone. Hell yeah!
Oven is $550. They raised it.
Wait, hold on one more time. How much was this toaster?
$399.99 on sale.
Look at that, guys.
A $400 toaster.
It looks like a robot or something. It looks like something
Aunt Jen would have in her kitchen.
No, it looks like something. What is that movie called?
But if you buy a Sub-Zero refrigerator and a Wolf stove, they'll give you that for free.
Really?
Oh,
would you look at that, guys? What a great deal.
Tell them how much the Sub-Zero fridge and the other thing is.
$9,000 and $8,000.
And they give you a $400 toaster.
All right, so we're probably gonna buy a Dyson vacuum cleaner for, you guys would probably roast me if I told you how much it costs, so I'm not even gonna bother.
Hey, they have a 2-slice that's only $250.
Oh, check this out, guys. This is only a $250 toaster. That's actually a really nice toaster, Dad.
It is.
But no, we're gonna be looking over here at the toaster ovens now.
$299.
So what do you think?
The Cuisinart, the $99 one.
We should get this one right here?
Nope, next to it.
This one?
That one.
This one right here? This is $99?
Large enough to cook something in it.
We got one
Big
like
enough
this
for
size
toast.
though.
Is this a good deal? $99 for this?
No, we're gonna make it a good deal.
Oh.
Make it a good deal.
All right. It looks like it's got everything you need. It's silver.
Silver all the way around.
Fine.
It's not
Yeah.
black and silver.
It's exactly what you need. It's handy. There's no need. What's the most expensive toaster oven you guys have?
The Wolf.
The Wolf. Where's the Wolf? Where's the...
They have a Wolf. You can go $1,000 for a toaster and a toaster oven.
$550.
This is a $550 toaster oven. I'm not gonna lie. This feels really nice, but I don't think it's necessary to spend $550 on a toaster oven. All right, so guys, I just bought everything in terms of electronics for my new apartment, and
Benny.
this is the receipt for literally everything.
And his Wolf toaster oven.
And the Wolf toaster oven. It comes with the Wolf toaster oven. $400 toaster is included.
It's not on there. My phone is missing.
What'd you just say?
I don't have my phone.
What happened to your phone?
I don't know.
You think it's in the store somewhere?
I think so.
Huh, that really sucks, Dad.
Did you take my phone?
It was right here. You
thanks.
left it on the mattress, you son of a
Oh,
bitch.
did I? Thanks.
Yeah.
I knew I heard something.
All right, so we just finished up and it's super dark. It's already 9 o'clock. I am exhausted, guys. But here's my baby. You guys literally probably can't even see the tints. What do you think, Dad?
They're light.
You think so?
Yeah.
So what do you think we should do then?
No, they're fine.
You think so?
Yeah. It's just dark right now. The light's shining through.
It's so hard to tell if there's any like tints on it because it's so dark out. I'm gonna have to do this tomorrow and check it all out.
In the daylight, it'll be much darker.
Yeah, guys, I'm sorry, man. It took us so much time, but I guess tomorrow we're gonna check it out. But bam! Look at that FaZe sticker on the car. That's so sick. All right, guys, so it's the next day. I'm with my buddy Matt right now. He's coming here to help me with the thumbnail. But yeah, so these are the tints I got on the car. I don't even know. Let me back up a little bit. You guys might not really be able to tell, but I think the black tints really make the car look a lot. I'm away from this chopper. There's a bee chasing me, dude. Get away from me. Oh my God. But yeah, guys, so as you guys can tell, I got the windows tinted. It's windy now. I can't even talk. It's too windy. The audio's getting messed up. But like I said, windows tinted. I think it looks beautiful. I want to know what you guys think, so let me know in the comments down below. And I also want to talk a little bit about why I got this Chrysler 300, because I've been getting a lot of backlash, a lot of hate, and a lot of you guys are like, oh, you gotta buy an R8, you gotta buy a Camaro, a Corvette, or something like that. You're a YouTuber, you gotta be buying these flashy cars. And trust me, guys, I want a flashy car, okay? So guys, the reason I decided to buy this car, and trust me, I want a sports car, I want a Camaro, I want a Corvette, I want a Lambo, I want an R8. And for any YouTuber out there, this includes like FaZe Rain, KSI, or Road to Shaw, KSI's little brother, you know, all these YouTubers buying these cars, I salute them. It's freaking awesome. But the problem with me is that I live in New York. I don't have a house yet. I just literally signed the lease on my apartment. I can't wait to show it to you guys. But I don't have a garage to put these cars in. In New York, it snows. It snows a lot in the winter time. So if I had a sports car, I wouldn't be able to drive it for half of the year. I don't have a place to put it when it's cold outside. I'll have to have 2 cars in New York to do that. So it doesn't make sense. With the Chrysler, I've always loved this car. It's beautiful. It's really nice on the inside. It's all-wheel drive, and I got an awesome deal. So I wanted to make that my new car video just to like show you guys, you know, the crazy things that happens when you can become a YouTuber, and how much you guys have helped me and supported me along the way, and you're the reason why I could buy the car. So, you know, it does make me feel a little bit upset when people say that, you know, you should be buying this car and not this car, and like saying that I'm stupid. But yeah, like this is like the interior of all of it, and like I said, my buddy Matt over here. But yeah, I just really wanted to get that off my chest because it's really been bothering me, and I just wanted to vent a little. So I just want to know what you guys think about the car. I thought it was a really good purchase. I got it for a great price. It's brand new. It's awesome. It's everything I wanted in an upgrade, and I'm super happy about it. And that's really all that matters to me. I just want to get that off my chest, like I said. What do you think of the car, Matt?
It's nice.
It's nice. Yeah, don't knock it till you try it, guys. It's nice on the inside. I'm telling you, if I came up to your house right now and scooped you up and gave you a ride, I don't think you'd be talking all that crap on. I don't know. Maybe you will. I'm going crazy though. I gotta go furniture shopping. I gotta buy all this stuff for my apartment, and it's gonna be a crazy couple of weeks. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Smash the thumbs up button. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And as always, guys, it's been your boy Doug Censor Martin, and I'm out, guys. Peace.